Good morning. Good morning, students. Please open your English notebook and write today is. What day is today? Please write the date in your English notebook. What's the weather like outside? Go look outside and write the weather in your English notebook. Great job, everybody. All right. I feel happy. How do you feel? How do you feel? Please write it in your English notebook. Okay, today there is a new worksheet for you to complete. It's about prepositions. Please complete the worksheet, and after you can look and listen to me reading a story. It's a very interesting and exciting story, and I hope that you like it. Please write a comment and tell me if you like the story. I think it's a very good story. Okay, students, that's all for today. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.